Hello and welcome to yet another video. My name is Brian, and in this video I would like to introduce you to a series of videos that I'll be releasing on how you can create your WordPress theme from scratch using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this first series I'd like to introduce you some of the tools that we'll be using to actually develop the WordPress theme. So the first theme that we'll be using is local. Again, this is the tool that we'll be using to work on the local environment. Then later we'll push our website to a live server. So local is actually a free tool that you can just download. Then we'll be able to configure it. I'll walk you through that step too. The next tool that we'll be using is Visual Studio Code. Again, Visual Studio Code is a free text editor that you can download. There are other free text editors, but I recommend that you use Visual Studio Code, but you can as well use your favorite one. I'll walk you through the template hierarchy and also the different files that we'll be working with to be able to set up the themes. Now, if you like such kind of videos, please give the video a thumbs up and follow for more.